The EWKR Project is a major collaborative research project funded by the Commonwealth Environmental Water Holder. It was funded to support implementation of the Basin Plan, which is allocating environmental flows to restore the condition of floodplain and wetland and riverine ecosystems. The project is investigating vegetation as one of the key components of this, looking at a number of research projects to better understand the relationship between flow and vegetation responses. The focus on vegetation is important because vegetation is not only important from a biodiversity perspective, but is also a major driver of habitat availability and other ecosystem processes such as nutrient cycling, which are critical to sustaining the system overall.
This particular experiment, we were looking at the effect of different watering regimes on seedling growth. We looked at 4 different species by growing them in PVC tubes under 5 different watering treatments. We took a number of measurements at different stages of the experiment to gain a picture of the growth patterns. These measurements included seedling height, number and area of leaves and root depth, and then we also used the leaves and root matter to calculate an above and below ground biomass. Here we see the purpose of using the PVC pipes. These pipes enabled us to cut them open and wash the soil off the roots, with minimal damage occurring to the roots, which then allowed us to measure their length or how deep they grew into the soil.
Woody plant species such as river redgum, blackbox, coolabah and lignum are structurally dominant plants on the floodplain that play an important role in terms of providing refuge, habitat, food sources, carbon and nutrient cycling. Seedlings represent the next generation of woody trees and shrubs, and their periodic germination and survival is essential to the long-term survival of populations. Just like humans, seedlings need a healthy start to life to facilitate healthy development into adulthood. To provide a healthy start, we're interested in what water regimes provide the best conditions for growth. The flow regimes we assessed focused on the effect of permanent inundation or drying, inundation during early seedling life stages or during later seedling life stages, as well as multiple wetting and drying periods. Analysis of this data will show the relationship between certain flow parameters, such as duration, frequency and timing, and their effect on seedling growth and establishment. This information can be used to design watering events targeted to the establishment and growth of woody seedlings to provide them with the best possible start to life.